Huh.
Hey, Logan, where's your Talion? How did you do that? How did you do the Talion in the top of the tree? Now here's the question, how are you going to get it down?
Mom's gonna kill me.
Yes, Mommy's going to kill you. Alright, James, let's see you try. Oh! Hey, you missed. You going to try it again? Hey, that worked. Oh. That was easy. All right, Logan. Nice control. All right, James. Oh, ouch. Good job, Logan. Oh, James, you landed it. Oh, you controlled it. Good job, Logan. Stop it. Oh! Oh, you almost had it, James. Oh, because the ground's not level. That's the problem. That's why you're having trouble landing.
Straight up.
Gotcha. That's the reason why. It's hard to land. We're going to try to do the backflip. Whoop, whoop. No, we weren't. Nice. That thing just sails. Oh, James, that was closer. Oh. I moved the whole ramp a long distance, actually. Nice backflip. Perfect, James, perfect. You know what's happening, Logan? The X-Maxx is too big. So it's coming in and it's hitting. Look, I've actually broken this whole piece off down here now. Nice. Hey, you made it work. Now see, that one would have done a backflip. Yeah. Beautiful, James. Oh man, it just bounced wrong. I got it, James. I can't believe that Talion, man. Oh, that was part of the tree. You missed the tree, lucky. Hey, I think this new ramp works good. What do you think?
I like it.
Oh my, Logan. You broke my ram. You broke my ram. Oh man. All right, incoming. Oh, ouch. So it landed sideways and literally put mud in the tire and 2 divots in the ground. And it drives away. Yep. Good job, Logan. So hey guys, the guy Werner, right, Stefan Z from online, he just put a video out where he was getting 3 seconds of time in the air. So he was doing big jumps, truck was in the air for 3 seconds. Do you think, how close to that you think we can get?
What?
You think just 1 second? I don't know how long. I mean, if we sent it big, how long would it be in the air?
I don't know.
We can always measure it later. Let's see, James, do a jump. Let's try to count it. Woohoo! Well, then that happened. All right, 1 truck with a shock, broken shock. All right. I think it might just hit the ramp and break the ramp. What do you think? I don't know, how much time in the air was that? I forgot to try to count. Oh my gosh. You lawn darted. All right, I'm gonna do 1 more X-Maxx jump and I'm putting it up. Say, I'm recording, right? Oh my gosh, I hit the wood. I hit the wood and I think I broke the ramp more. Did I? No, that was the same piece. Those bottom pieces just don't like life. We're gonna have to put a stronger one down there. Hey, you missed. Oh. How did you do that again?
I don't know.
But the ramp keeps moving.
But did you see how I jumped sideways?
Yes, you were literally sideways in the air and then landed it sideways in the air. I'd say you're getting pretty good at this, sir.